Listen, most men walk around every day feeling tired, unfocused, weak, and unmotivated, and they have no idea why. It's not because you're lazy. It's not because you're unproductive. It's because you're killing your testosterone every single day. So let's break this down like men. Straightforward, no sugarcoating. Here are the biggest testosterone killers you're doing without even realizing. Number 1, scrolling, first thing in the morning. You wake up, and the first thing you touch is your phone. Dopamine spike, instant gratification. Your brain gets flooded with cheap rewards before you've even stood up. This destroys your natural testosterone rhythm by raising cortisol, your stress hormone. High cortisol equals low testosterone. Every time you start your day scrolling, you're choosing weakness over power. Replace that habit with sunlight, water, movement. That's how you start the day like a man, not a zombie. Number 2, eating like a boy, not a man. You know why most men today feel weak, tired, and unfocused? Because they eat like boys. Sugary breakfasts, processed snacks, zero protein. It's basically a message to your hormones. Shut down. Don't bother showing up today. Your body needs real fuel, protein, fats, minerals, if you want your testosterone to fire at full power. But most guys run their entire day on sugar, caffeine, and cheap carbs. Then they wonder why their energy crashes, why their mood swings, why their drive disappears. Number 3, constant sitting, zero movement. You sit at work, you sit at home, you sit before bed, and then you wonder why you feel slow, weak, drained. Because when you stop moving, your body stops performing. Zero movement means low blood flow. Low blood flow means low energy. And low energy? That's a straight path to low testosterone. Your body wasn't designed to be parked in a chair all day. It was built to move, to lift, to push, to carry, to sweat. That's what a man's biology thrives on. Just 20 to 30 minutes of real training, not scrolling, not steps, but actual effort, can boost your testosterone naturally. And lifting weights? That's one of the most powerful signals you can send your body. Build strength, increase hormones, become harder to kill. Number 4, poor sleep, the silent hormone killer. You think you're exhausted because life is hard? No, you're exhausted because your hormones are waving the white flag. If you sleep less than 7 hours, your testosterone can drop 10 to 15% every single night. That's not a small dip. That's you aging faster, performing weaker, and losing the drive that makes a man feel like a man. Sleep isn't optional. It's not a luxury. It's your biological recharge station. So fix it like your future depends on it. Because it does. No screens 45 minutes before bed. Dopamine crashes ruin your sleep quality. Dark room. Darkness tells your brain, recover, repair, rebuild. Cool temperature. Your body sleeps deeper when it's slightly cold. Same bedtime. Consistency builds powerful hormones. These habits kill millions of men's testosterone without them even knowing. But not you. Because now you know what's been draining your strength, your focus, your drive. Fix these habits, and you won't just raise your testosterone. You'll raise your entire standard as a man. If you want more masculine, hard-hitting self-improvement, subscribe and stay here with me. Your transformation starts now. Until next time.